Okay, Keith here. Let's go ahead and do our B pentatonic. We're getting through them. They should probably get probably getting them under your hands a little bit. And we'll go through every one of them just so you have them, and then we'll do some tricks with them and then get into some other things. So stick with it. We have about 500 lessons to go. So anyway, let's get our click going. I got it at 78, just moving it just ahead just a little bit because you're probably getting a little familiar with the patterns now. So we're doing B pentatonic today. Here we go. All down picks to start. And of course, this is in the first position. Nice and slow. Try to get right on that beat. Up picks. It's good. Try not to make the strings buzz. So there's our first one. We're going to go up to the next one. It's going to be here. This is the one everybody kind of knows. All down picks to start. 2, 3, 4. Up picks. Down, up, a little quicker. I tend to play swing eights a little bit. I try not to do that. Try to play them straight. Okay, you want to do up, 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 down, down, up. Any combination, you can still do it with the same scale I played. Let's go to the next one. One, let's see, 2, 3, 4. Ups. Down, up. There you have it. Let's go up to the next one. Now on this end, we start with the second degree of the scale. All downs. 3, 4. All ups. Down, up. Okay. And then the last one's going to be here. 3, 4. All ups. That's B pentatonic. So practice that too. All right. Till tomorrow, this is Keith. Keep practicing.